Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, as promised, we want to continue for the section C, paper 2, Nilam set 2. Okay, so for this section, there are 4 questions and you are required to answer 2 out of 4 questions. Okay, for the question 12, it's all about solution of triangle. Okay. So what we can see from this topic, what you have to know from the solution of triangles, there are sine rule, cosine rule, and also the ambiguous case, and then mostly and also the lines and plane, the angles between lines and plane. Okay, they are all under the solution of triangles. Okay, so we go to question 12. Diagram 7 shows a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD and the area of triangle ABD is 85.9. Okay, so now we want to find what is the angle of BAD. Okay, so it's bracket here. Okay, as we can see, the given area of triangle ABD that has the angle BAD is 85.9. So that we can extract this value for the area of triangle from the formula of area of triangle. Okay, so actually we can use sine rule to calculate the area of triangle, which is 1/2 times A times B times sin C. Okay, so I will draw a general triangle that have the side ABCD and also the angle. So this one A, and this one B, and then C. Okay, ABC we refer to the angle located, and also this one, the opposite of the C is the length of C, small letter C. And then the opposite of angle A is the length of A, and the opposite of angle B is the length of B. Okay, so means that kalau tengok dekat sini AB, okay, AB is here, okay, AB, and also the sine C. Okay, means that sine C here we refer to the included angle. Okay, so means that when we want to use the area of triangle, make sure that it has the 2 sides and is included angle. Okay, so as we can see from the triangle BAD, okay, the angle BAD is located at the included angle of the length AD and also AB. Okay, so means that here we can use this formula. So we have 85.9 equal to 1/2 times with A, then with AB, times with AD, and then times with the sine BAD. Okay, so we substitute the value for each length, which have AB as 15.2, AD as 13.9, and then sine angle BAD. Okay, so we rearrange and we can get the sine BAD, the angle BAD will be equal to 0.8131. Okay, and then we shift sine and we will get the angle is 54.4 degree. Okay, that is we refer to the angle of BAD. Okay, so we go to question B. This is the answer for A. We go to for the questions B. What is the length of BD? Okay, what is the length of BD? Okay, what is A? Okay, so I will draw the triangle BAD here. Okay, BAD is BAD. We have B here, and then A, and then D. So we have the angle 54.4, and we have the length as 15.2, and then 13.9. So once we want to find the length of BT, we can't use the Pythagoras theorem, or we can't use the trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos and tangent, which is so, toa and cha, because the triangle BAD is not a right angle triangle. This is not a right angle triangle. Since this is not a right angle triangle, means that we will use, okay, we will use either sine rule or cosine rule to find the side or the angle. The angle yang dia nak lah, sama ada kita nak length ataupun angle. So it's either kita guna sine rule or cosine rule. And then when we want to use the sine rule or cosine rule, we have to choose based on the situation given. Okay, this is what is a situation. Okay, the first one is, you can see from this triangle, we can use the cosine rule if there are, okay, for the cosine rule, dia ada dia punya certain condition lah. Kalau nak guna sine rule, at least dia kena ada two sides, okay, two sides and included angle, okay. Itu syarat dia bila nak guna cosine rule. Mesti ada two side and is own included angle of that two side. Okay, maknanya included angle tu ialah angle yang berada di antara two given side. Okay, or to use as cosine rule, you can use also when the condition given three sides given. Okay, sorry, three sides given. So maknanya ini ialah condition kedua lah kalau kita nak guna cosine rule. Okay, so now from this triangle, you can see that we have BAD, the two side and is included angle. So means that we can use cosine rule to determine the length of BD. Okay, so cosine rule, what's cosine rule? So it's here, this is a cosine rule. Okay, this is a cosine rule for the question B. Okay, so I will rewrite the formula. Okay, the formula for the cosine rule here. Okay, to find the BD mesti length kita nak cari tu dia kena ada dia punya angle opposite dia. Okay, so BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square minus 2 AB AD and then cos B. Okay, cos BAD. Okay, sorry, cos angle BAD, the opposite of the length BD. Okay, so BD and angle BAD, they are opposite to each other. Okay, so we substitute the value for AB, AD, and also the angle BAD. Okay, that is 15.2 square plus with 13.9 square minus 15.2 times with 13.9 cos 54.4. Okay, so we rearrange this part, okay, and then we get the length of BD is equal to 13.3517 centimeter. Okay, that is. So we proceed with question C. I can find the length, the angle of DBC. Okay, DBC. So now I want to redraw the triangle DBC. Okay, we have the triangle DBC. Here is, okay, C here, and then B, and then D. So we already have BD just now, which is 13.3517 centimeter from question B. And we have DC, which is a given one, which is 11.4. Okay, so now we want to find angle of DBC. Okay, the angle of DBC. So DBC is located here. Okay, so from this part, you can use either sine rule or cosine rule. But before we use that, we choose that, we have to determine for the side also is a given angle. So as we can see here, these two sides and the non-included angle. So means that we can't use the cosine rule. Okay, so instead of using cosine rule, we have to use the sine rule. Okay, the sine rule. So sine rule we can use for two sides and non-included angle. Okay, two side and non-included angle. Okay, so this one we can choose sine DBC, the angle DBC. Okay, over which the opposite part is 11.4, equate with the angle of the length of 13.3517. Okay, and also this sine C. Okay, sine C, actually we can calculate it because we have it from the angle BAD just now. Okay, BAD. Okay, since there are cyclic quadrilateral, so the angle A and C, okay, the addition of angle A and C, the opposite part, okay, the total angle will be equal to 180. So this one is 54.4. So means that CS, the angle C will be 180 minus with 54.4 degree. And we have the angle as 125.6. That is the angle C. So means that here, awak kena gantilah bagi letakkan dengan angle C, which is 125.6. Okay, so you rearrange, you will get the sine angle DBC will be equal to 0.6942. And you will get the angle DBC equal to 43.96 degree. That is the angle of DBC. Okay. So next we proceed to question D. Okay, what is find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? Okay, so we have to find the quadrilateral area of quadrilateral. So since we know that this quadrilateral is the combination of two triangles. Okay, combination of two triangles. So means that we just calculate the area of triangles and add for the both area of triangles. So BAD we already have it. We already have because given one is 85.9. So this one means that you can calculate the area of triangle DBC. Okay, so we can use the formula for the area of triangle since this is not a right angle triangle. So bila bukan right angle triangle, memang awak kena guna formula yang ada sine untuk cari area of triangle. Okay, kalau dia adalah right angle triangle, that is not a big problem for you to calculate the area of triangle by using 1/2 times with the base and also times height. That one is compulsory. Okay, you boleh guna untuk right angle triangle only. Okay, jadi untuk non-right angle triangle, okay, since DBC is non-right angle, means that kita akan guna formula. We will use the formula 1/2 times A times B times sine C. Okay, so means that here is kena ada dua side and satu included angle. Okay, so two side, we have two side here is 18.4 and we have BD which is 13.3517. Okay, so we just find the included angle at D. Okay, so included angle at D. Okay, kita cari dulu angle BDC. Okay, sini kita dah dapat tadi. This one pun kita dah dapat. Okay, C is 125.6. And then DBC, we just calculate before from the previous question. 9, so we can get the angle BDC is 180 minus 125.6 degree minus 43.9, and then we get this one is 10.44. Okay, so kita masukkan dalam formula area. Okay, so we substitute to the formula for a triangle. And then we get the area of BDC, the triangle BDC is 13.7906. So the area of triangle will be the total area of triangle BDC, okay, and plus with the area of triangle BAD. So the answer is 99.96906. Okay. Okay, so we go to question number 13. Okay, this one is about index number. Okay, so table 2 shows the prices, the price indices, and the weightage of items used to produce squid balls in the year 2018 and the year 2019. Okay, so given that the price index in the year 2018 based on the year 2017, and this one is the year 2019 based on the year 2017 and also the weightage used. Okay, so for each item, maknanya bila kita nak produce squid balls, so these are the item used. Okay, so setiap item it has its own price index. That is different from each year. Okay, so kalau kita tengok kat sini, this one is price index 2017 based on the year 2018 based on the year 2017, and this one is 2019 based the year 2017. So we can see the price index increase. Okay, increase from the year 2018 to the year 2017. Based on the year 2019 based on the year 2017. Okay, the composite index for the cost of making the squid ball for the year 2019 based on the year 2017. Okay, 2019, 2017, so we refer to this column is 130. Okay, so ini price composite index dia ialah 130 and the total weightage is 20. So total weightage here is 20. So find the value of P and Q. Okay, so bila kita nak selesaikan two unknowns, which is unknown P and unknown Q, okay, means that we have to form at least two equation. Okay, two equation with these two unknowns. Okay, when we have two equation, we will complete by calculate solving the simultaneous equation. Okay, so with solving the simultaneous equation, we will get the value of P and Q. So how to get the two equation? Okay, so we can use the given information. The first one is the total weightage. Okay, we have weightage here 4 plus P plus Q plus 5 is equal to 20. And then we rearrange, you get P plus Q equal to 11. Okay, so from this one, we can make P as the subject, and this one becomes the first question. Okay, so next is we can use the total weightage, the composite index here. Okay, composite index, which is 130. So take substitute into the formula of composite index. So the formula for the composite index is the index, price index, we times with the weightage. Okay, total for each price index, we times with the weightage and then divide with the total weightage. So we have here is 115 times 4 and then 140 times P plus 120 times Q plus 132 times 5, and then we divide with the total weightage 20 and we equate the composite index, which is 130. Again, then we rearrange, we get the second equation. That is, we substitute the equation 1 into the equation 2. Okay, so this one we use the method substitution. You can choose either to use elimination or substitution, doesn't matter, as long as you get the value for P and value Q. So we get Q here is 3 and P is equal to 8. Okay, P is Q is 3 and then P is equal to 8. Okay, so next question is find the calculated price of squid in the year 2017 if its price in the year 2018 is 21 ringgit. So we look at for the squid and for the base price index 2018. 2018 base the year 2017 for the squid here. So we have the price index 125. Okay, what does it mean, the price index? When we have the price index for each item, so we can determine, okay, the estimation of the price for the year 2017 or the year 2018. Okay, if the given price index is 2018 based on the year 2017. So from this one, we have the price for 2018, which is 21 ringgit. And we divide with the price for 2017 in times with 100 and equate with the price index, which is 125. Okay. So from this one, this is the method. So we get the price for the year 2017 of price for squid. Okay, that is 16 ringgit 80 sen. Okay, that's why kalau awak tengok dia punya nilai price index is 125. Maksud dia 125 ni harga squid increase sebanyak 25% daripada tahun 2017. Maksudnya 2018 tu harga dia dah jadi RM21 kan. So 2017 harga dia 16.80 sen. Kalau tengok kat sini, ini ialah 125. So peningkatan harga dia ialah sebenarnya ialah 25 sen. Okay. Sorry, bukan 25 sen, 25%. Okay, so kalau price index less than 100, maknanya harga price index, harga barang tu akan berkurang lah, akan decrease. Kalau dikurang daripada 100% lah. Okay, sebenarnya dia lebih kurang pada percentage. Soalan index number ni, dia ada kaitan dengan percentage. Okay, so we go to question 3. Okay, calculate the price index of the salt in the year 2018 based on the year 2018. Okay, so sekarang ni kita hanya ada price index untuk 2019, 2017, 2018, 2017. So sekarang soalan ask you, dia nak price of index of salt for the year 2019 based the year 2018. Okay, jadi kita kena buat sikit lah. Saya suka buat dalam bentuk ni, awan-awan. Okay, so kita akan letaklah 2017, and then we have 2018, and then we have 2019. Okay, so ini untuk salt. So salt price index 2018 based on it 2017 is 120. Okay, and then 2019 based the year 2017 is 132. Kita tengok pada table ni. Okay, salt. Okay, 120, 132. So the question asks you, what is the price index of salt in the year 2019 based the year 2018? Okay, so we can use the formula A times B divided by C equal to 100. So let's say this one is equal to A and this one equal to B, the price index, and this one equal to C. So to find for each price index, okay, it comes from this formula. A times B divide C, we will equal to 100. Okay, so now we want B. So B will be C divided by A times with 100. Okay, so we take C here, which is 132, and then A 120 we times with 100. So the price index for the salt in the year 2019 based on the year 2017 is, based the year 2018 is 100. Dan maknanya harga salt tu meningkat 10% daripada tahun 2018 kepada tahun 2019. Okay, that one is question 3. So we go to question B. Okay, the cost of all items increased by 25% from the year 2019 to the year 2020. Find the composite index for the cost of making the squid balls in the year 2020 based on the year 2017. Cost for all items. Okay. Maknanya untuk tahun 2019 nak pergi ke tahun 2020, semua items tu meningkat sebanyak 25%. So daripada sini tadi, awak boleh guna juga formula macam tadi juga, walaupun untuk composite index. Okay, so saya akan bagikan kepada 3 years, which is 2017, 2019 and 2020. Okay, so the composite index for the first one is we have 25% increase daripada tahun 2019 kepada tahun 2020. So this one will be 125. That is the composite index in the year 2020 based the year 2019. Okay, so we have 2019 based on the year 2020. That is 130 is already given. Okay, 130. So now we want to find 2020 based the year 2017. That is. So dekat mana dia berada pada C kan? This one is A, B and C. So nak dapatkan C, A times B over C equal to 100. Jadi nak dapatkan C, kita just buat macam mana? 100 and then A times B divide by 100. Okay, and then we get C, which means that A is 130 times is 135 divided by 100. Okay, and then we get the composite index in the year 2020 based on the year 2017. Okay, this one. So the answer is 162.5. Okay. Sebenarnya apa yang masukkan composite index? Composite index tu mana kita cari harga gabungan ingredient semualah untuk kita hasilkan squid balls. Jadi digabungkan untuk setiap price index for each item. Itulah terhasilnya adanya composite index. Jadi maknanya bila ada composite index, kita boleh assume, kita boleh estimate harga untuk next year based on the year yang kita nak. Jadi sebab apa kita akan tengok kepada ingredient tu sekali. Okay. Itu saja untuk question number 13.